UKGC students are going to present assembly. Let's watch it. Everything I give